In today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can email a task directly into a specific project in Asana. This feature comes in handy, especially when you're on the go and only have access to your email without access to the Asana app itself. Imagine a scenario where you're traveling or perhaps working from a remote location where accessing Asana is not possible. This email integration can make sure that your workflow remains uninterrupted and tasks are captured as they come to you. Let's dive into how this works. You'll want first to establish the email address Asana has generated for your specific project. Begin by navigating to the Asana project where you want these emailed tasks to land. Once there, look for the caret icon located next to the project title. Click on this caret icon, which will open a drop-down menu. From this menu, select Import, and then choose Email. This path will guide you to the information you need. Now, Asana will display a unique email address specifically assigned to your project. This is the address you'll use whenever you want to convert an email into a task for this project. It's a simple yet powerful tool that ensures your tasks are never out of reach, even when Asana itself might be. Asana has structured this process to be straightforward. Any email you send to this unique address will automatically convert into a task. The subject line of your email will serve as the name of the task, making it easy to identify at a glance. The main content of your email becomes the task description, allowing you to provide any necessary details and instructions right there. And if your email contains any attachments, rest assured that those will be added to the task as well. This ensures that everything you intend to convey and include within the task is captured efficiently. This streamlined process is all you need to ensure that tasks can be created swiftly and effortlessly from your email. Whether you're capturing fleeting thoughts or delegating tasks while away from your usual workspace setups, Asana's Email to Task feature is an excellent tool to have in your productivity arsenal. Take advantage of this feature to maintain seamless operation and integration into your task management routine. And there you have it. By setting up the email address once, you open the door to endless possibilities for task management through email. As always, ensure you're using this email system responsibly and securely, and you'll find it a remarkable convenience in fast-paced working environments. Happy task managing with Asana, and see you in the next video.